and welcome to Maddie Makes. So today we're going to make some cool popcorn toppings. But the catch is, we're doing it outside. So the first popcorn topping we're going to be making is maple butter. So what you'll need for this popcorn topping is maple syrup and some butter. So what we're going to be doing is grabbing a spoon and a bowl and just using our measuring thing. And I'm just going to press tear on mine. And you'll just need to measure out 60 grams. So as you know, we're making it outside. We'll need to melt this butter on my fire thing. So this is just like a candle. And we're just going to turn this on and start melting this. Well, what happened was this burner thing, actually, a lot of the time it blowed out and it wasn't working. So we got a pot and there's a hole in the back of it and it's actually starting to work. So we just have the fire in there and it's melting the butter. So let's continue. So the butter's all melted and we've got the maple syrup here. And we are just going to use this, I'm pretty sure, and then we can just wash it out. It's all melted, and then we're going to put in the maple syrup. You'll need a quarter of a cup, and we'll just pour this in and just mix, and that one's done. So much maple syrup is going to waste for this. Oh, it smells nice. So we're just mixing this up and it looks really nice and I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Okay, so the next popcorn topping we are going to be doing is a spice. So we're not going to be using butter for this one. We're just using some of this taco spice mix. I'm just going to pour this over the popcorn. Okay, so the spice popcorn is done. So this is what it looks like. It's just, you guys probably can't see it, but it's pretty spicy. It's nice. I've tried both of them. Now the next one is going to be the cinnamon and the cinnamon one. So my butter is just finished melting. I'm going to be using icing sugar right now, and I'm going to do a quarter of a cup of icing sugar, and then I'm just going to add that to the mix, and I'll catch up with you guys once I do that. So I added my icing sugar, and the next thing I'm going to add is my cinnamon, because this is the cinnamon one. So it's all ready. I'm not sure if this one's going to be the bomb for a lot of people, but it's okay. It's just a little bit buttery, so I wouldn't recommend this one. But I would definitely recommend the other two. So we're just mixing it up. Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video. So if you liked my video, please leave a like and subscribe if you like my channel. If you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment with helpful feedback or just suggesting ideas that I should do next. And also thanks for watching this video again and bye!